Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a short lid hinge pin on your dishwasher door. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a punch tool as well as a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher door here. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to open up the lid right here. And we've got this small punch tool. And there's a small hole right here on this side of the lid. And what we have to do is use that to push the pin. There's a small pin in there. And that'll push out. And then we can remove the whole thing. Now to get this small pin out, what we're going to have to do is use our punch again. We're just going to have to just push it all the way out the rest of the way, like so. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement short lid hinge pin. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to orient this as if it was on here, so that you're putting the proper pin into the proper place. But we're going to put the long pin in first, like so. And then the spring. And you'll look, if you look on the top right here, there's a small hole where that small piece of the spring will go. So you know you got it lined up properly. And you don't want to give it any twists or anything to get the spring bent up inside of there. So now we can take the short pin and just push it in through this side. Make it a lot easier. And we're just going to push it in all the way like so. And now we're going to put it back into place. So the long pin will go into the small slot right there. And then we'll line up the pin here. And we'll use a small flathead screwdriver in order to push this pin out and into place. And now the door should close properly. When you release that lever right there, the door won't do anything. So you do want to make sure, it's very important that you put the spring in the right way. Otherwise the door will not open properly. And then close up the door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.